Sparkling water.
They're gonna watch my buddy.
Cotton candy. What else they got?
How much are they for?
What are you doing for?
You got one too?
Yeah, I don't know why Brianna ain't over here.
Now you got
See, the bug is a little packed. What's that, Trey?
oh, come on, Mama calls.
I said wait. In Walmart. We got where we going now?
It's so.
The bread. We gotta go back to the food section. The most chaotic section of the store.
The dude's over there, he's not down the boxes of chips they had.
This is every Walmart we go to. It's overpacked. No matter what time of the day you go in, they're gonna be overpacked. Look at the creamers right here, Mom.
Huh?
They got hazelnut.
Don't get the one y'all go to because they don't win up. $1.23, macaroni. I don't need no more yet.
Did you get the bread? What is that?
Panda Express sausage.
Oh.
We don't have Panda Express.
Remember Panda Express down here was nasty.
We don't have Panda Express. No, you got the bowl. You get two
Yeah, Mama, no flavor, no nasty, unseasoned rolls. Look at this. Look, Mom. This $9.98 caramel macchiato, coffee house quantity, frozen beans.
You see the brown and syrup?
Right there, brown and syrup. $40 pack Rice Krispie treats, sir. $8.98. I remember caramel apple. This hot apple apple. They're 98 cents. Sparkling water.
They're gonna watch my buddy.
Cotton candy. What else they got?
How much are they for?
What are you doing for?
You got one too?
Yeah, I don't know why Brianna ain't over here. So we're down here, down deep in the country. We're in the woods, I might add. And we're down here to check on my grandfather. If you don't know, my grandmother passed away. My only living grandmother passed away a couple months back. And we're down here to check on him, see if he needs any help or anything, clean up. This dude over here, I don't know what he doing.
Hey YouTube, it's your boy Shankboy, we're back.
Summertime, he got on a hoodie. Summertime. Don't get too close. Okay, so my grandmother's grave has sunken in a little bit. Got to put a little bit more dirt on it.
Man, you know how to do dirt? Me and Raheem used to do this for a living, dude. Come on.
Yeah, that's
I know how to carry.
Say we doing this for grandma. Trayvon turn. I did the first one.
Get the shovel so we can pat it in.
We may not need
Don't let them kids do that there. You keep looking at.
we may need more.
Pat it down. Pat it.
I got to spray it first.
Hello. You want it kind of flat. Don't want it round up. Already.
What Khalil at? Khalil, where you at? Where?
This Sunday he came to the house.
Where you at?
Why you say the lights?
Saturday he came to the house.
We see him every time we go uptown.
Oh, I seen him Mr. Rock, like I said,
Khalil, give me back my toy. Build me a tree house?
Yeah,
Peppa Pig.
yeah. They just have it quiet at the rain because the sunshine is there.
Clear say open up the stage.
That was the same. Oh, it's the same. That was the same.
Tell TT Tracy.
The whole thing?
Tell TT Tracy that.
Long time my phone and we're like 4 o'clock in the morning.
That's
COVID-19.
I was partying when I heard that.
what you were balling about?
I was like, thank you.